Yo, boom, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase umavela ngokhala umabhodwa amanzi abafokazana bebhodwa utshwala. Welcome to another episode of Niyathembana Na. We're in the streets of Johannesburg bafethu. We're looking for beautiful couples, for lovers, abantu abanomjolo phakathi, and sifuna ukwenza show ukuthi sithele itswayi baba. Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream, Indonase King Sibaba, and this is Kapo Switching Phones, Niyathembana Na. I'm in Newtown today. I just wanna see Khuribufebe bujwang mo strateng. Abantu, are they loyal to each other? Do they love each other? Yeah. Newtown ngisandela lento, guys. Yeah. Zakala. Sunboy. Hi guys. Hi. How's it, my brother? How's it, guys?
Sure, my guy.
I'm good. My name is King Ginger, cream de la cream. Are you guys dating? You guys look matching and you guys look nice. Animals in your t-shirts. What's going on? So, are you guys dating?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, nice. My brother, how long have you been dating this beautiful woman, man?
It's been 2.5 years, probably. Yeah.
All right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry mfethu to invade. My name is King Ginger, cream de la cream, and my guy, I just wanted to ask a few questions to you guys. Are you guys dating and do you love each other? There's nothing much, it's just a show nje. Yeah. All right, so mfethu, ubani kama, what's your name, my brother?
Hey, I call her Sam.
Sam.
Yeah.
Nice one. Hey guys, spethu Sam. No. Oh, samgelisiwe.
Yes.
Hello, Sammy.
Hello.
Grand.
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Samge, where you from?
I'm from the Eastern Cape.
The Eastern Cape, baba. No, you know, there's a place called Ekonga, ne?
Yeah.
I'm right. King Ginger, King Ginger, cream de la cream. When my brother, what's your name and where you from?
Kevin.
Kevin from?
Yeah, I'm from White City.
White City, Chabavu. Mawutsu yazi, Msotra baba. My name is King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwanase King Indlovu, and this is CMTV. Putwami, yini lo ithanda kangaka ngosemi mfethu?
Into engichaza ngayo siso wangichaza like approach yakho unobuntu into engayisho yabona. Yeah, I love her personality. Umuntu ogrand.
And that's why I said don't say wonke lo 2 years
mfethu. She's push angibona ukuthi la kunomphambili kahle. Ngibona umphambili.
Semi, yazi Semi mfethu, what I can say to you is that when I look at you, you look like someone that I know because uqishuthathe lapha na kumuntu wami my favorite. No. Nami ngiyadata. Yeah, nami umuntu wami ilabantu abanjengo Semi mfethu. So Semi, tell me, what do you love about uLokhuzana Kevin mfethu?
Because I'm a people's person, and so he is also a people's person. I love he's down to earth. He's not self-centered like uyabathanda abantu, and that's one thing I love about him.
Ntwana. Love is in the air. King Ginger, cream de la cream. So my brother, I want to know something from you. Do you trust a woman? 100.
Sesipushe 2 years kangaka ngiyamthemba mfethu.
Siswami, do you trust this man?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
I do.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I can see that I do is not the real I do. But today I'm gonna do the I do that is gonna be the real I do. Because mina into engiyenza mfethu ngenza i-loyalty test siswami yabo leyo nto le ilapho ngiyengene khona, and then we do the checking of the phones for 60 seconds. You check on his WhatsApp, you check on his Facebook, you check on his Instagram. For 60 seconds you're gonna have his phone and you will be checking. Same applies to you, my brother. You also gonna get that chance to check so that we can see are you both guys loyal to each other. Oh, for the first time in this show, this guy understands it, man. He understands that. Shit. First. Isaac manje, this is Kapo Switching Phones. As you can see bafethu bavumelana nami mfethu ukuthi bona bayathembana. My brother, can I have your phone, sir? Woo! Washa. Awuthema ungadelete. Hayi it's ngibamba usayivula. Hayi ngizoyivula.
Brightness.
Brightness.
Brightness putoptan. Yabona isakhiwo nokukhiwa.
Ubala lolo.
Ubala.
Yeah. Yabona nje mase hayi ke. Okay. ngicela ifoni yakho siswami ngicela ungibambela
Can I have my?
oh ebhekini
I love it, babe.
hayibo
At the car.
Yeah, I think so.
ayabona ke mfethu ish ayabona ke
Na imoto kodwa.
hayi bafethu asilandeni ke ifoni hayibo umjita phela ebacksteer mfethu ushiya ifoni emoto singayila
Ya na imoto la sipake lapho.
wozani wozani mfethu selanda ifoni emotweni so wena siswami wena mfethu vele yamthemba vele
Ngiyamthemba vele.
vele
Yeah.
you guys I so like the vele let's go where's the guy on this side okay all right we getting the phone in the car we getting the mzala hello awunkabi yami hayibo all right couple switching phones king changer cream tala cream Ritola ta phone undate it's going down you know what it is guys I want to say this I know a lot of people they think that I'm demolishing people's relationships and everything but it's not that all right so nice guys can we come this side now all right my brother we're gonna go my brother can okay guys are you ready for this one
I'm ready, bro.
my sister can I have your phone please Musa this is couple switching phones king changer cream tala cream ziyakhala ke manje mfethu I want to know ukuthi are you both guys loyal to this relationship ne
I am loyal.
you are loyal
I am loyal.
I trust you my brother
Yes.
and uyamthanda mfethu angithi
kakhulu,
you love her so
ngiyamthanda,
much
kakhulu.
and you'll never do anything to hurt her
Ngeke. It's 2 years now.
it's 2 years now Siswam on your side are you sure do you trust yourself are you loyal
Yeah, I'm loyal. Like, angenzi next, so I'm loyal.
so uyakusatisfy ukunika everything that you want everything that you need from a man uyayithola from this man
Yeah, he treats me like a queen. So
yummy can I have a phone cela nje uqala ya my sister lekade ishiwe emotweni cela uqala ngeyakho sacela ukuchecka eyakho uqala sibone ukuthi khamba kanjani ne bafo ibambe mfowethu let's go on WhatsApp first cela uvule phone yakho mamazi it's open yes let's jump on WhatsApp now mfowethu WhatsApp awungithawazi lama phone bo guys all right now ku WhatsApp mfowethu ngicela ungene khona ngicela mfowethu uvele usearch iheart uvele ufake iheart ushiye kanjalo ya and then uthi search yeah
Okay.
azake
Nazo. Uthabo bani?
how
Uthabo bani?
he's a friend.
Kodwa akazi ngitshele mina ngayo.
how
Do you have to know all my friends?
Kodwa ngathi sitshelana yonke into masimina nawo.
Hawu.
Uthabo amaphathi kwenzakalani?
He's a friend.
how nina bafisa njalo ngihlala ngiphika ngento eyodwa everyone is saying a man is a friend why nibamba abangani namadoda kanti abantu unomuntu wakho why
Uthabo bani?
ubani uthabo
I said, babe, he's a friend.
Kodwa nisendelana amahathi.
Mara, he's a friend still. Like,
A
he's my friend.
Kanjani?
when I tell
Mina angikhumbuli ngichetha nomngane wami oyintombazana ngisendelana naye amahathi. Kodwa lo uyabona ukuthi it's more than a friendship lela. Kwenzakalani kanti?
someone uyathandana nothabo
Yebo, ngiyathandana naye, I'm sorry.
oh manje wayebungamtsheli ke ukuthi wena usuthanda uthabo awusathandi yena
I couldn't.
So phakathi kwami noThabo ubani omthandayo ngoba ngathi sichithelana isikhathi masimina nawe manje. Ayikho phela lento esiyenzayo.
Excuse me.
Kodwa yini lento yenzayo? Uyibizwa yini igama ke lento yenzayo? Yini?
I mean, like, I know ukuthi ungithandile, you did everything. Mara masiya ekamereni, like,
So into obongahlula ukungitshela le. Thatha phone yakho.
And when was the last time we had sex, Vele? When was the last time? When was the last time, Vele?
So sister le nto iguy right ukuthi wena ke ngicela ukuthi uthandane noThabo ngoba why beningahlali
No, ayingayi mara when was the last time? Ngingumuntu, I have intimacy.
wena
Dude. Askis, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. Siswami iman sazomela sicheck sazomela nawe icheck ifone yakho sezethu uzokwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but siswami nawe why kanti ubungakhulumi naye ukuthi ekuse manje usafili grand sekhona umuntu manje ongathi uyakujabulisa why for 2 years uthuleleni ke makuthi sex ayikho mnandi
Because I love him.
then you can fix this you can talk to him how guys there are also men's clinic in fact we can do this
Mara ivuka once in a while mina ngeke. Yo. Mina ngimncane ngeke. I'm sorry.
kanti
But
sisifuna kangaki ke
ngimncane, my sex drive is high. Ngimncane.
okay I'll tell you when you are aware when ukuthi umuntu wakhe akajabulile about ukuthi
Akakhulumi nami. Nasendlini bengibona lehlo ukuthi
mara sisomu uyacela mfethu yazi manje sekunayise kanjani umuntu uyamcela ukuthi kuse can we do sex athi no I can't because of this but uma ungakhulumi yena
Vele akasenzi isikhathi anymore. Mayenza isikhathi we going to a theater, we going to a date. Yeah, vele I'm a girl. Ziyangijabulisa lezo nto lezo mara it doesn't end there.
okay kodwa uyakwazi ukukhuluma naye mawucela imali but akwazi ukukhuluma naye mase kumele ukhulume ngezinto eziserious ukhetha ukuthi umchithele what if ke manje melivuka ngalelo langa ke angeni la kwen then uyamgulisa ke uma kuthi kanjani ke because now when usubonana nomunye umuntu which means you're not loyal
hey
Mina
injalo.
ngizangolungisa ihlabathi hle yo anzangolungisa umhlaba ngeke. I'm sorry. I love you but I'm sorry.
So ungitshela ukuthi uThabo uthatha ispace sami ku. Into ongitshela yona. So senithandana isikhathi esingakanani wena noThabo?
senithandana isikhathi esinganani ke wena noThabo 6 months phezu kwa 2 years shouldn't uno 2 years 6 months manje why is it
6 months weta kakhulu kune 2 years. Into esho. Orina ngisakujabulisa vele.
Okay, it's fine. Wait, sister. Okay, it's fine. But sister usakuthanda phela umchita mfethu and usayimisele ngawo.
Ngifuna ukubona ifone yakhe nami.
Yeah, uzoyibona but kumele uzehlise
So why is this about me now?
because you are cheating. And you're not talking. You know? Okay, Musa, let's send your phone first. It's first to speak phone yakho but my sister wrong mfethu. And wrong and ukubonisa ukuba sorry. You are wrong mfethu, you are wrong. You wasting this guy's time. Niyaphi njengamanje niyayikhipha. Uyodla imali yakhe but still wena futhi uthi wena awuneliseki. That is not right, but that is not fair, guys. Izo zonke lezi zinto ayibezingikise lo msebenzi lona because you guys just do things nje. Yeah, utsile unama feelings. And uyazi thina sikwata kanjani nini emanambeni nibanja banjwa lana. This is not right, guys. We're doing your phone, my brother. I'm sorry, my man. You need to man up for this one. Things happen like this, my guy. But let's check your phone and see on your side what's going on. Guys, this is crazy. This couple switching phones and ngai my sister ngathi uyagive up vele. Ngathi vele she wants to let it go. No, why vele? Why? Alright, guys, come. Open the phone, my brother. Musa, this is crazy, my bro. This is crazy. You know? Yeah. No, man. No, man. It's not your turn. What are you doing? Are you deleting now? Siswam, here's the phone. Guys, this is couple switching phones. And now, it's my sister. Siswam, I'm going to verify your hearts. Because in both of you don't delete.
Ubani umathapelo naledi usibahle.
Haw. Nina ngicela umdlalo nina. And like both of you.
Ngachaza nje. Hayi kuthi abazi. Awusamazi manje naleli.
Mina I don't know naledi.
Awumazi.
Okay, asana sekuma conversation. Ama-nude. So wena nonaledi nithumelelana ama-nude.
She's a classmate.
Classmate
athumelana naye ama-nude.
She's a classmate.
Mina at least I didn't show anyone ama-nudes.
Sis. I'll tell
Ayangijwayela
now I'll tell me first now you're
Classmate.
classmate kanjani mfethu kodwa uyabona mfethu kunamanuthi lapha wena kade ukwatile kodwa wena njengama
Amfethu njoba ngisho mina ngichithi.
Why?
Angichithi mos mina.
yamuzwa ukuthi ukwatise nokuthi lamanuthi lawa sexy
Angichithi
ukudlula
mos
wakhe
mina mfethu.
why when aw
Iclassmate njoba ngisho bafo baby. Baby.
Like you love them dancing. Kalipasi yami. Yay.
Ah baby come.
nika isikhoma sakhe mfethu
Kalipasi yami.
nika isikhoma sakhe mfethu
Ngijwayela.
Asingalweli into engqa.
ima
Ngiyabona
awuthami kanti na
mfethu,
no ngibona yini mfethu kuwe
Ngiyabona
ngibona
mfethu,
yini
ngiyenzile lo.
ubambe lo mjida mfethu ima siswami lalela ima
Mfethu niyabona into eniyenzile.
awu mina ngilwe phela siswami mina ngizama ukulungisela i-relationship yakho la angimoshi umshado uwe awuthami kodwa umoshayo bafethu lento eniyenzayo siswami bheka mfethu ima mina siswami ngizama ukuyilungisa lento lena wena usamthanda wena mfethu umjida wakho usamthanda uKevin do you still
Like I don't want him. I don't want you anymore. Like
imake first ima siswami so now because now okay awuthami wena usamthanda umuntu wakho
Kakhulu.
give me like you said you're doing exams. These are your exams. Amantombazana izi-exams zakho vele. Classmate, you sending nudes to your damn classmate.
classmates kanjani mfethu kanti nini wena no classmates niyabhabazana yini
Mfethu angeke ngiyenze lento.
I four at least I cheated with one person.
wena uchithe namantu okay wena sisoma ubona kungcono ukuthi wena ngoba uchithe na 1 kungcono and then yena ngoba uchithe nabantu abawu4
Baby. Singakhuluma.
ima sister ima awutham ima wena sister wena usafuna ukuqhubeka naye ke
Ngiyanicela.
usamthanda kodwa
Ngiyanicela.
okay siswami okay magai okay bafethu
Ngiyanicela.
okay
Singakhuluma.
Ngiyanicela. Like ngikhulumeni nawe vele. Yo.
okay wena awutham wena mfethu okay ngiyazi ukuthi nawe wenzile ama mistakes wakho amantombazana awu4 la wabonile yena uthi ushisa nomuntu oyi1 into empatha kabuhlungu another thing is that you are getting sexiest and no I saw them too and you're not appreciating
I
her
do not mind even if I don't have matching underwear.
yes
Mara kuba ufuna ama matching underwears.
Askis.
so when uya compliment mara makuthi ushayela njare mamazi
Askis.
He doesn't even want me to wear one. Like Ati, he loves me the way I am.
when awutham
Siyawenza amaphutha.
but when I'll tell me, okay, guys, I just want to know this then. Okay, because you guys love each other. I can see you some in your eyes. As much as you're angry, you're looking him straight in his eyes, which means there's chemistry there. Tell me this. Do you still love him? Do you still want to continue with this relationship?
Aye, I'm shot.
Bafa ngcono ukuchitheka bafa. Angcono ipakete lichitheka bafa. Awusangithandi ngenxa ye6 months babe. So yalichitha lepakete lethi lamanzi eligcwele. Lachitheka nje kanjalo nje.
The right, boss. You turned the right.
2 years.
The right.
Yayilahla nje kanjalo.
Yo, andikhathalele lo 2 years yakho.
Should bochitha isikhathi sami kahle.
Wena busenzani?
Njoba ngikutshela mina
Budlala onodoli wena.
iphutha leli.
Oh,
Ngichaza
mistake.
nokuchaza.
I'll tell him, okay, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ungachaza. So Sam, can you give him a chance to explain ke what's going on, my brother? You flirting with your classmates, you sending each other nudes. Oh, it's even more than that. Maybe you even fucking, man. I don't know what's going on, Mfethu. Because she's here and she loves you, Mfethu.
I can't explain, right? Phatheke kabuhlungu umuntu wami mfethu.
Siswama, sister. Hayi ukulwa esingali guys, singali. Kanti na awuthi uyakushaya yini lo muntu endlini mfethu mase zokuthusela la estradini. Swami ngicela uze ngalana siswami sikhulume lento. Okay, wena siswami wena usafuna nichubeke?
And vele ungijolela njani unaleti engimaziyo like.
How? So. Okay, wena nonaleti vele bekungayona into serious angithi.
Yeah, bekungayona into
Fucking like you fucking.
Siswami. Okay, wena awuthi usafuna nichubeke?
Njengoba sekalahle ithemba kanje nami
Wena siswami usafuna nichubeke?
Ngimfunshana. The right.
bafuse iphelile bafu. Hayi iphelile iphela kanje bafu. Phela kabuhlungu bafu. Hlezi yami ibuhlungu sikhuluma nje kumanje.
Guys, angizile lana ukuzomosha.
Inhliziyo ebuhlungu kufana nawe.
Wena siswami
kodwa usungazolahla u2 years awulahla nje u2 years kanjalo nje
wena siswami kodwa nawe nje ubucheater.
I cheated once, like I slept with the guy once.
Na
Through the 6 months ngilale naye guy one to tell me the truth.
kodwa uchithile
Kodwa
mazama
it
ukukhavara
At least you awumazi.
Wena
Awumazi, you don't even know isithombe sakhe awumazi. Mina
Also-
it's someone I know.
No, okay.
Like, mina ngiyamazi.
wena
Like it's someone mina I know.
Ish. Okay, guys. Okay, because mina ngiyathanda ukuthi yonke into iva grand face. Me guys, mina what I will say to you both of you is that nithi ukuthi niendlini.
Yo! Ngeke.
How? Siswami. Sorry, pheka mfethu. Lalela sister. Buka phela mfethu. Guys, come. Buka siswami. Ima mfethu. Masiswami mina into engifuna ukuyazi kuwena ukuthi so njengamanje njengoba usumshela umjita and nifike no2 you came together here in town uzofika kanjani ke endlini because
Anginayo imali.
so tell me so you don't love him anymore.
Angifuni.
What about
like-
wonke lo 2 years lo bese niwenza
I
mfethu?
don't care. It's not about where we're coming from. It's about where we're actually going. So
So when you don't see any future but sister now you were cheating
I cheated once.
but that didn't give you a right ukuthi manje wena ke umlahle ngoba naye cheate kawo.
With someone I know.
I mean I
When
tried
Mama strokes with someone I know.
but sister now you are not communicating with her with him because now we are explaining ukuthi uyakuthanda and he still wants you.
I don't care. I'm Qatar body like sharp.
But usamthanda?
Yo, ngicela nindiyeke animfuni like animfuni.
Okay,
You hear?
ngiyakuzwa
Animfuni ne.
ngiyakuzwa.
Ne?
Yes, ngiyakuzwa.
Thank you.
Okay, sister but usangamniki ichance mhlawumbe makuthi uyabuya axolisa because mina bengingazili ukuzomosha ngithi siswami kodwa nawe ubumchithela sister naye kuchithela ngithi